It's okay not to be okay. Are you feeling blue? Naguguluhan? Pilit mo bang pinapasaya ang sarili mo? Nalulungkot ka pa rin ba sa tuwing naiisip mo? Nape-pressure ka ba? Hindi mo pa rin ba alam kung may patutunguhan pa? Are you sick of pretending that you are okay? Struggling about your grades, your work, your social status, your insecurities, as it is slowly breaking you apart? Lahat tayo, iba't iba ang ating struggle sa life. Iba't iba rin ang ating paraan kung paano natin ito labanan. Kung paano tayo makakaahon. Minsan, gusto na lang nating matapos na. Dahil sa hirap na iyong iniinda. Minsan pa nga, hindi mo alam kung kakayanin mo pa ba. Left and right ang imong mga gipangatubang kada adlaw. Nga di ka kakabalo kung sa kalipay napabakay matagbaw. Nga usahay, matulala na lang ka sa kadaghan sa imong problema. Makahuna-huna ka kung imo pa bang makaya. Pero alam mo, that despite all the struggles in life, always remember that it's okay not to be okay. Nga okay ra kayo kung ang imong adlaw dili maayo. Kay dili man pud tanan perpekto. Naay mga tao nga kung atong lantawon murag walay problema nga makainguntag unta ako na lang na siya. Pero wala ta kabalo sa kamatuuran nga sama nato galisod mo na siya abante sa unahan. Just because others carry it so well doesn't mean it's not heavy. We all have different struggles in life. That's why it's very important to be kind. But you know what? One thing that we should always learn from life is to always fight. That it's okay not to be okay as long as you're not giving up. It means that your mind is trying to heal itself, and that's fine. It's okay not to be strong. It's okay not to know the answers of your questions. Kung lalaki ka, okay lang na umiyak ka. Hindi ito nangangahulugang ikay mahina. Sometimes, we just need to take a break. Bilang babae, ang pagiging expressive sa iyong nararamdaman ay hindi nangangahulugang OA ka na. Keep trying. Lahat tayo may karapatang magpahinga at may karapatang maging masaya. It's okay not to feel okay. It's okay to be sad today. It's okay if life isn't going your way. It's okay not to be okay. Because one day, it will be okay. Tomorrow is a new day. And better days will come your way. This is still your Hugot Babe. My name is Sugar Dolly. Right here on your favorite and number one FM station in the city, 103.1 Wild FM. This is still Emotions Going Wild.
Emotions Going Wild.
Wild FM.
Emotions Going Wild.
Wild FM.